Hey everyone, and welcome to today's episode, brought to you by Tool Maniac, your one-stop shop for all things tool based. And Tool Maniac have their own YouTube channel, so check out the link below and see what Tool Maniac have on offer for this month. We just bought another car.
You gotta be kidding me!
I know, another car. Didn't happen by accident, it was planned. So we now have two new project cars that are yet to arrive here. And I'm pretty excited about this car because it's a car that I've wanted for a number of years, and I have looked at these cars on Copart and have bidded for a few, and the price just got crazy, so I just let it go. And in fact, very interestingly, I saw one last week on Copart, and it went for £1,800 more than this car that I purchased. Admittedly, that car was 2 years younger. This one's a 2013, this car that I've purchased, but it's in better shape, and I got it for £1,800 less than the same vehicle went on Copart. And had I bought this car from Copart, just in fees alone would have cost me an extra £147. So we have made ourselves some savings. And just to give you another number, to get it delivered here, this car is up north, and I'm talking north of Liverpool. To get it delivered, it's cost me £281. So I'm over the moon. I'm really over the moon. So that's going to be arriving in the next couple of weeks. Or next week, maybe even, I'm hoping. And you all will see that. So there's two reveals that we need to do. And yet, I'm looking for a third vehicle. We're gonna have a busy winter this year. So yeah, so there's a third vehicle that's going to come, and I'm hoping that that might be the ultimate car, or one of the ultimate cars. So yeah, look forward to that. So like I said, the car that I bought, I'm going to give you a clue. It's an Italian car. I've always loved Italian cars. My first car was an Alfa Romeo Alfa Sud 1.2 Ti, and I love that car, and that's where my passion for Italian cars has come from. And let's face it, I'm never going to own a Rob Ferrari, or maybe I might own a Rob Ferrari in the years to come, but at the moment I can't see that. So the next best thing is this car that I've purchased, and we will be doing a few little projects on this car as well. So I'm looking forward to A, getting it back on the road, and then B, starting to do a few new projects with it. Now, interestingly, I bought this car from ASM, and I will show you the bidding process in a future video. When we get the car down here and we'll do the reveal, I'll show you the bidding process. So it's my first time bidding on ASM, and believe me, it was so easy. It was very calm, very sedate. There was no frantic bidding with other people and then getting the emotions involved and then you're bidding higher. I just literally put my number in, my maximum number, and just watch the auction go by. In fact, when I show you the video, it's really boring because it moved by £10. In fact, in the video it doesn't move at all, but when I was watching it live, this vehicle was a set price and it went up by £10 throughout the whole bidding process. So, and it's quite an unusual bidding process because it has a countdown clock, and every time someone bids, it really sets the clock for another minute. Which is, I've seen that before on another auction site what does that. It keeps the price high, but yeah, it just resets it for another minute, and if no one buys it, then the clock just times out. And that's exactly what happened. And when I called up ASM, it's a very straightforward process. You just pay for the car, and then they're happy to keep the car for another 7 days. 7 days without charging you. And the company that I chose knows the yard where the car is pretty well, so he's going to collect it within the 7 days and then bring it down. So yeah, another car on the project on the road to look forward to. So I may give you a few clues in the coming few days that may reveal. There may have even been a clue in this video, but if you think you know what the car is, put a comment below and let's see if you're right. So very short video, but I thought I'd just bring it up and let you know. And so yeah, so we will see you on Monday, but in the meantime, if you're seeing this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe down here and press that bell notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we release a video. So thank you for viewing this and have a good week. We will see you on Monday.